Module 1. Introduction to Biomass Power and Steam Systems. Inside this building flows enough energy to power an entire factory. Temperatures can exceed 900 degrees Celsius. Steam pressure can instantly destroy equipment and kill people if handled improperly. But when operated correctly, this system becomes the heart of industrial production. Now, why boiler training matters? Boiler systems contain extremely high energy and pressure. Many accidents are caused by poor understanding and panic during abnormalities. Safe operation requires discipline, observation, and understanding of principles. What a boiler room does? It converts chemical energy from biomass into thermal energy. Heat transforms water into steam for industrial processes. Steam is used for drying, heating, sterilization, and power generation. Why industries use biomass? Firstly, biomass is renewable and locally available. It reduces dependence on expensive fossil fuels. Common fuels include rice husk, wood chips, palm kernel shells, or PKS, bagasse, and sawdust. But there are some challenges of biomass fuel. 1. Moisture content varies significantly. 2. Ash content and heating value are inconsistent. 3. Different fuel batches behave differently inside the furnace. Combustion and heat transfer take time. Unlike in the common fire tube boilers, the intensity of firing could not be quickly adjusted. New engineers often think, if I increase fuel, steam pressure rises immediately. But boilers have thermal inertia. Boilers are dynamic systems. Steam demand constantly changes. Boilers continuously balance fuel, air, water, and steam demand. And these are the major biomass boiler room equipment: fuel handling system and conveyors, furnace and boiler pressure parts, forced draft fans and induced draft fan, feed water system and de-aerator, water treatment and ash handling systems. Boilers are forgiving until they are not. A boiler may tolerate poor combustion, dirty fuel, minor operator mistakes, temporary abnormal conditions, but accumulated neglect can suddenly become catastrophic. These are the critical boiler hazards. Low water level can overheat tubes and cause catastrophic failure. Steam leaks can cause severe burns. Improper startup can lead to furnace explosions. Rotating equipment creates entanglement hazards. It is very important to understand steam energy. Steam contains enormous latent heat energy. Water absorbs heat during vaporization. Stored steam energy makes boilers highly efficient and dangerous. Most major boiler accidents are not caused by equipment alone. They are usually combinations of human error, poor communication, and unsafe decisions. These are some human factors in boiler operations. Fatigue and complacency increase risk. Poor communication contributes to accidents. Stay alert and respond calmly during abnormalities. Operators must stay alert and respond calmly during abnormalities. Traits of a professional boiler engineer. By the way, if you're getting value out of this, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks a ton. Now, let's dive into the next point, especially if you are a young boiler engineer. Discipline and situational awareness. Accurate logging and observation. Teamwork and respect for procedures. Ability to notice abnormalities before alarms occur. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Watching only steam pressure. 2. Overreacting during pressure fluctuations. 3. Ignoring small leaks. 4. Blindly trusting instruments without field verification. Environmental responsibility. Efficient combustion reduces emissions and fuel consumption. Poor combustion creates smoke and particulate pollution. Good operation supports both economy and environmental protection. Key takeaways. 1. Boiler rooms are dynamic, high-energy environments. 2. Operator decisions directly affect safety and efficiency. 3. Strong fundamentals are essential for becoming a great boiler operator or engineer. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into steam itself, why it behaves the way it does, why pressure and temperature are connected, and why understanding steam fundamentals is the foundation of becoming a great boiler operator or engineer. Thanks for watching.